Hello friends, welcome to youtube.com oblique Dr. Ved channel. I am Dr. P.R. Patel, Professor Head Veterinary Medicine. We discuss here important bacterial disease, infectious necrotic hepatitis, popularly known as black disease. In part 3, we will discuss necropsy finding and diagnosis of black disease. Necropsy finding of infectious necrotic hepatitis. Clinician observed from outside the dead animal. Blood-stained froth may exude from the nostril. This is the outside observation. Clinician also observed rapid putrefaction or autolysis of the carcass. Important observation: pronounced engorgement of subcutaneous blood vessels with subcutaneous edema. This is the effect of the toxin. Friends, infectious necrotic hepatitis is popularly known as black disease. Why it is black disease? Here, there is extensive rupture of the capillaries in the subcutaneous tissue, which causes adjacent skin to turn black color. This black color is clearly visible on drying of the skin. So, the disease is named as black disease. Friend, we discuss here characteristic diagnostic lesions of the liver. The liver is swollen, enlarged, small areas of grayish yellow necrotic parts about 1 to 2 centimeter diameter, and this is surrounded by a zone of bright red hyperemia. This necrosis and hyperemia is observed along with channels of damaged liver tissue. These channels are caused by migration of young liver flukes. The mature flukes are not observed. Here we discuss characteristic histological finding of the liver lesions. The lesions consist of a central area of eosinophilic inflammation that is due to fluke migration. The body reacts to the fluke and it is a histamine reaction. So there is eosinophilia in this area. The lesions are surrounded by zone of coagulation necrosis, and the outer limb of lesion is a infiltration of neutrophils. There is a gram-positive bacilli within the lesion. This is the characteristic histopathological lesions of liver. Always observed pathological findings on postmortem is presence of abnormally large quantity of blood-stained serous fluids in serous cavities. Serous fluids in pericardial, pleural and peritoneal cavity. This is because of the damage to the vascular system by the toxin. Frequent observation by the pathologist is subendocardial and subepicardial hemorrhages. So this is heart pathology, which is very serious, causes death of the animal. Friends, ante-mortem laboratory examinations is not possible at all because disease is very per acute death without any premonitory signs, and death occur in few hours before clinician notice any information. Death is so fast that ante-mortem laboratory examination and clinical pathology is not possible. Friends, here we discuss diagnosis of infectious necrotic hepatitis. History and clinical findings are not yielding much because per acute death occur in few hours, so signs may not be observed. But you have already discussed the characteristic lesions in the liver. The necrotic lesion in liver are the characteristic. The disease can be confirmed by cultural isolation of Clostridium novyi in liver lesions. That is the confirmation of disease. Demonstration of preformed toxin is also a important diagnostic confirmation. Preformed toxin can be diagnosed in peritoneal fluid and or from the liver lesion from a fresh carcass. Remember here, the positive result on a fresh carcass is a diagnostic one. In old carcass, there is rapid autolysis and that gives a false positive diagnosis of toxin because toxin may be formed by the other organism after the death. So for this diagnosis of preformed toxin, the fresh carcass is important. Fluorescent antibody technique is a quick diagnosis, but it is not a confirmatory diagnosis. This will identify Clostridium novyi, but it will not identify the types of Clostridium novyi. There are many Clostridium novyi type B strains that cannot be differentiated. This may be a non-pathogenic. So there are all the chances of false positive result due to common presence of non-pathogenic strains of Clostridium novyi type B and other Clostridium novyi types. Always observed pathological findings on postmortem is presence of abnormally large quantity of blood-stained serous fluids in serous cavities. Serous fluids in pericardial, pleural and peritoneal cavity. This is because of the damage to the vascular system by the toxin. Frequent observation by the pathologist is subendocardial and subepicardial hemorrhages. So this is heart pathology, which is very serious, causes death of the. Here we discuss collection of samples for confirmation of diagnosis. For the bacterial isolation, piece of liver with active lesions in airtight container, 4 impression smears from the boundary of lesion for the anaerobic cultural isolation and quick fluorescent antibody technique test. For the histopathology purpose, that is confirmatory, fixed liver is to be sent to the laboratory. Friends, you may watch more videos on disease of animals on youtube.com oblique Dr. V channel. Here we discussed necropsy finding and diagnosis of infectious necrotic hepatitis. Request to share information to veterinarian and veterinary students. Press like button to promote the channel. Subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for observing this video.